Okay, so try it on the other side, taking the lower control arm from the knuckle. Let me try to get in there. From here, releasing this from here, but we fell so bad that we said fuck this shit. So what we did, we mounted the shock from these two bolts right here, and we took the nut out, the bolt from here and on this side. Don't worry, it's just a welded nut in there, and this whole thing just dropped. And we also took the link off and this right here, the tie rod, like another side. And yeah, pretty much just like the other side. It's just that we try to be, well, I at least try to take a shortcut by maybe hitting this, and this would have just dropped. But no, we spend a little too much time. But it should be just like the other side. You'll see us take everything apart right now. 19 works just fine. Shock. So once you get the bolt out, what size was that? 19. 19. It should come out. Then we're gonna mount the shock from the frame. Got him out. Two of them. Oh, let me get those.
So you're just gonna get it from the back.
You're just gonna get it from the back. That's the best way to do it. Take the tie rod off. You guys can tell it's kind of like the ball joint. You can hit it from the top, but you might strip the threads. What you can do, grab that, right, put the Allen wrench inside of there, and you just go. Oh fuck. Okay, you grab it, right, and you go hammer time. Voila! Right, we lower everything down. Alright, that should be everything. There. I'm not keeping my whole hand in here. Stuck. And make sure the drive shaft right here, the axle's not in the way, as you can see there. You kind of damaged it a little bit there. But yeah, make sure that's not in the way, then you can drop the whole thing down and have access to the whole bolt.
But before they hit the power lines.
And it hits the body and you crack the windshield.
Oh.
Don't do it.
It's cool. Insurance got that, right? Accident.
Don't!
It's still there. Yeah. They're on the floor.
But yeah, just go from the back and just hit it from the back. Look for the hole and twist it in there. And that's it. So yeah, the bolt is fully installed. You can see how low that is. All this gap, it's gonna shrink. So when you're putting the tie rod, put the jack under there just to prevent this from spinning. And you can tighten that, or else I would just spin freely. Oh fuck. Yeah.
The camera in.
And that's it. A little tip.
Moment of truth.
Honestly, yeah.
Oh, what a letdown.
Wow, I would have let that.
Now you gotta let it settle. Remember, because the frame was like that too.
What do you mean?
You gotta let it settle. What's going on? So when a Corvette, I'm telling Jimmy, you gotta let the suspension settle so it can go fully low, and he thinks it did not go low. He's mad because we spend on one side too much time. But I'm telling him, you gotta let the suspension settle.
I'm mad.
So we're gonna drive it a little bit and go back. So that was the video for today. Lowering my Corvette C6. It was really worth it in my opinion. and it only cost me $50. Yeah, $50 for the lowering bolts. I was thinking getting coilovers, but you know, I think this might just be it. I might get coilovers in the future, but for now, might get different wheels for the car as well. You know, and I'm just enjoying this beautiful California weather. You know, it's been raining this whole past month, and so now we got some sun. Took the top down, enjoying the weather, and yeah. So yeah, as you guys see in the clips, I took off the plastic dip off the wheels. I did not plastic dip it myself. It was the past owner. I guess he thought it looked cool. I really did not like that. But yeah, it was coming off, so I said, yeah, I took it all out. But yeah, there you guys have the video. $50. If you guys have a Corvette that you want to lower, go ahead and do it. This is totally worth your money, bang for your buck. It's an easy installation. I know this is supposed to be a part 2 video, but yeah, it's pretty much the same thing as the front, just in the rear.